Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike Foster here, how you doing? You know, sometimes you just feel like a fried egg and bacon sandwich. And this baby today is a 3x3. It's 3 eggs, 3+ pieces of bacon with melted Havarti cheese, served on this whole grain bread, a little butter, but we're gonna put a little mayo on there and a little pepper. It's the fried egg, bacon, and cheese 3x3. I can't wait to try it. We're gonna get those eggs cooking. Meet you at the stove. All right, we've got a medium pan and we've got some butter. All right, melt that up. Let's get those eggs down. There's your first one. Beauty. Here's his brother. Lovely. And here's his twin sister, Sally. Thank you, Sally. Perfection. Put a little pepper on there. Just got the toast down. These are gonna go another minute or so. We're gonna flip them. Oh, then you're gonna see what happens. All right, see how we're doing. I'm gonna lower this to pretty much low because I want the cheese to melt in good time. These still have another 40 seconds before the flipperoo. I know these things because of age and experience. All right, we got this guy all the way to low. We're gonna give them all a flip. They browned up a little. Why? I don't know. No, the butter got a little brown. Now here's the key. It's a 3x3. We got the bacon in there. Oh, it's so light. And then we got the cheese. Meltaroo. I got some extra cheese. Put a little there. Put a little there. This one goes here. All right. We're gonna take it off the heat. Put it over here. Cover it and melt that cheese, and then we'll put this baby together. All right. A little butter on both sides. Just very little, just to get it moist. All right. Now the crazy part. There's a little mayo on both sides. That's all you need. There's those eggs. Remember, it's a 3x3. There's the first. Let's make sure this guy's straight. He's the base. He got flipped a little. Here's the next one. Look at that stack. 3x3. Here's the third one. Oh my goodness. There's the flipperoo. Look at the size of that thing. You gotta see the size of that thing. That might just be the close-up right there. Ready? Oh, is it gonna make it? That's the sliceroo. That's the reveal. That's the bacon I'm stealing right here. Watch this. Let's get a close-up of that. All right, that's the close-up of the fried egg, bacon, and cheese 3x3. Big bite coming up. All right, there's the finished product. The 3x3. You know what's in it. Now, as I like to say, it's going to be in me. Oh, God. Egg and cheese so creamy, mixing with that mayo. A perfect bite. And that savory and crispiness of the bacon. There's so many different breads you can try. But this is a whole grain from Dave's. That's the baby. As I said in the beginning, sometimes you just gotta get a bacon and egg sandwich. That's another one by me, Mike Foster, the Fried Egg Sandwich King. Check them out. Check all those videos out at my YouTube channel at livelife365.com. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
YouTube channel. See, this one wants to break, I could tell. That was Sally, by the way. I need to ask a question. Is that ridiculous? Look at that thing. Sliceroo. Oh, goodness. That's too low. Oh. After, baby. Here's Dave's organic bread, sprouted, whole grains, 3 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, 16 grams of whole grains, omega-3s. The only thing healthy in this actually, eggs are healthy. I have videos on why you should eat eggs. Lean bacon in moderation ain't bad for you. Cheese, butter, and mayo? I don't think so. Subscribe. Tell people. How about Foster, sweet babu? Golf. I know no one cares. Baba.